How to film a claim online with USAA app. Open the USAA mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. Log in to your online account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the claim section within the app. Look for the option to file a claim or start a new claim and select it. Follow the prompts to provide details about the incident, such as the types of claim and the date it occurred. Provide detailed information about the incident, including any parties involved and any relevant documentation you have. Review all the information you have entered to ensure accuracy. Submit the claim through the app. Once submitted, you will receive confirmation that your claim has been received. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.